Hi, this is Bill from VacLab, and I'm introducing to you today one of my favorite all-time cheapies, a Hoover Tempo Widepath. This is a fantastic machine with 80 CFM, cubic feet per minute, of airflow actually at the power nozzle. And it does about 80 inches of water lift, or you could say 80 inches of suction, I suppose. Right now it's still being sold for $69, including shipping, on Amazon.com. And these things are fantastic. If you don't want to spend money on a machine, you can get a good HEPA bagged machine. It's very simple. It certainly isn't perfect. Not everybody will like it. But boy, does this thing ever clean well. Or maybe not. Let's go ahead and put some flour underneath our carpet and see what it does. Maybe I'll put a little more down. Kind of a wider nozzle, I suppose. And let's see what it does. This has a HEPA bag in it. And it has a decent wooden brush roll with stiff bristles. I have it on medium pile. So let's see what this does. Now for the results. Not bad. Maybe 80%, maybe 85%. I don't know if I call it 90%. Oh, and it looks like we have a little bit of a line of shame right here. Just a little. So that is very good performance. Nothing really stuck on the back of the mat here. For a machine costing under $70. Like I said, it's my favorite cheapie. Absolutely incredible. 80 CFM at the nozzle with a clean bag. Until next time, bye-bye.